Hi guys, John from Paved in Stone. So today's job is we are going to put together some steel edging. We're going to have a little look at that. If we just have a look around, you can see we've already stripped out about a 450mm border all the way around. It's just going to go back down to gravel and just become a bit of a pot garden for the client. So we've got a delivery here from Core Landscape Products. So the steel edging, we're using the Core steel edging. Right, so we've taken out our delivery from Core Edge. So let's have a look. What have we got? We have got these 100mm anthracite slate grey edgings. I don't know if you can see that profile of the spikes on the camera. So generally speaking, that's going to be your face with the domes facing out. These are quite a clever design. Certainly there are other steel edgings on the market too, but what we like about this one is you get a double clip system. So what essentially you're looking to do, you've got a set of attachments on this end that are integral to the unit. So just slide that piece in there, and you can see we've got these two tabs that are left. Those two tabs, we just have a look at the kit that they supply you with as well. So we've got a hammer and a piece of wood to knock them down on the top so we're not banging them, a lawn edger and a pair of pliers. So we'll grab our pliers at this point, and all we're going to try and do is coming from the back is just to pull that tab up, pull him up, bend him up a little bit, and then we do the same on that side, and we get our hammer. We don't necessarily need the piece of wood for this bit on the clips, and then just knock it in and flat, and that's it. So they're now together. So the way to do this job, or the way that I found is easier, is we'll go around first of all with our edger that came with our kit. We're just going to drop that into our edge like so. And that's just going to give us that good start. So basically, if we look at the depth of this compared to our edge in there, basically if we look at the bottom, that's going to just mean that we can get our spikes in. Normally what you do with this edging is you normally leave sort of around about 1.5 to 2 inches on show above the grass or the gravel. Just makes it a really nice tidy finish. So yeah, we're going to work our way around, get these edgings in, and then we can start thinking about membrane and gravel. Cheers. Right, so that's the core edge done, our steel edging. As you can see, it's really easy to create these lovely sweeping curves. Now, some of you are a little bit more keen-eyed than others. You'll notice that actually we've set this a bit higher than that sort of 40mm that we said. It's difficult to see on the camera, but this whole lawn slopes down quite fast to this side. So the customer eventually just wants to start building this level up. So we've just given them a bit of scope there just to sort of level it up and get rid of some of the lumps and bumps at a later date. So that's it. That's our core edge in. Great product to work with. Quite simple installation. It can be a bit fiddly with these 1 meter sections. You can get longer sections for bigger jobs. There's quite a few varieties actually of what you can use for different retainments and things like that. But steel edging works great. It's not going to rot. It's not going to rust. Be there forever and a day. And if the customer ever decides they want to change it, pull it up, take it all apart, put it somewhere else. Good product. Cheers, guys.